In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy page to another project in Webflow. So start by opening up your design in webflow.com. Then next in the left panel, click on the pages icon. And here select the page that you would like to copy. So say for example, it's the home page. And now once inside that specific page, now click on the navigator button or this three-line icon. And now this is where you'll see all your contents elements inside this specific page. And here all you have to do is click on the parent element, then right click on it and click on the copy button. And once done copying in a new tab, head over to your other project where you want the copy of your page. And here once again, click on the pages icon and make sure that you select the correct page where you want to paste those elements. And once inside that page in the left panel, now head over to Navigator and here click on an empty area and on your keyboard press Ctrl plus V to paste your elements. Webflow will then automatically bring over the structure, styles, and classes used in that page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!